And another order, Timotos. Yes, total 2. There you go, 11. Is this for Sarah? Wait. Yeah, let's do it. I need to buy some rainy boots, man. That was a good order, but we don't know the price. Oh, there? Okay. Awesome. Look how busy it is. Can't be just one order. Damn, this is less than a kilometer. Yes. Thank you. So. Yeah, it's 25 an hour. Hey, what's up guys? This is Camille Hassel, back to another video. And today we're doing walking. Well, not today, maybe this trip until the snow stops, you know. As you guys can see, we're back again with the snow. It's raining earlier and now there we go, back again in the snow. Just when you think we are done with this, but here we go, snow again. April. So I'm just going to pick up an order on walk. I was expecting there will be much demands because there are gonna be less bikers out there. So if it rains like that all night, then I'm gonna be doing on foot. If you guys saw the other videos, I was been doing walking and on the bicycle as well. So this is nothing new. We're ready for this. Oh, it's water everywhere. We're going to New Sky Chinese restaurant. So I opened my map, it was so red, the demand it's much higher. And I didn't want to use my scooter, so I had a bicycle. Because I know I'll get so wet riding a scooter on this. Let's see how much we can make if it's gonna be whole night like this. Let's go. BA2CD. Thank you.
Thank you.
I need to buy some rainy boots, man. My shoes gets fucked up. No problem. Take care.
Have a great day. Enjoy the weather, eh?
Oh yeah, I will. I know.
I got a tip coming your way.
Oh, thank you. I appreciate it. Yeah. All right. Awesome. Look how busy it is. Very busy right now. So what I'm gonna do right now is to head home and wait for more orders from there.
Sua mãe me ligou contando uma história que a chuva levou todo equipamento.
Hopefully I get an order before I head home. Can't be just one order.
Excuse me.
Oh, hey, how's it going? The speed? Oh, hey, yeah, right? Oh my god, Johnny needs to stop in this weather. Yeah, you gotta stop for that. Oh my god! Why is everybody outside?
There we go. Another order here. Shit. I just picked it up without even watching. Okay, I'm gonna head there. I just picked up this order without checking the amount, which is bad. But no, because it's really busy right now. The demand is high, so it's probably a high amount. That I won't gonna regret it, so let's find out. The phone was in my pocket when I tried to take it out. I ended up pressing it by mistake by accepting the order, so I don't know how much. So we're passing again here. Whew, I'm telling you, with this umbrella it's not even working because I'm so consistent for it here. Hello.
Yeah, give me 1 second, okay, please.
All right, cool.
Doordash.
Yeah, Jonas, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, coming.
Đây em có con ngoài gì á? Okay.
That's the one.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yep. Number right there.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. That was a good order, but we don't know the price. But the distance is really nearby. Oh guys, earlier I just received another order. I'm going to pick it up after, it took me after 2 minutes of dropping that order, or less than 2 minutes. I received another one for, I'll say less than a kilometer for $8. It is busy, to be honest. The work mode kept me busy. I haven't been waiting for that long, and I received another one. So this is a total of $3, and I'm going to pick up at Monkey Sushi this time at Queen Street West. Monkey Sushi. Queen West. It's 2 orders. 7D1E. Yes, total 2. Cool.
Encontré a una niña tan bonita ella siempre se ha parecido a Yemaya. Y por la calle con su ropa azul camina. Y todo el mundo está gritando, ay, cómo va. Ella responde, yala, 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 yala. Y hace su Yemaya. Yala, 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 yala. Mira, todo el mundo está gritando, ¡qué belleza!
And another order, Tim Hortons. Okay, let's do it. Perfect. I took this, the other order after this. I think it's a little bit further away. I mean, it's 1.2 kilometers, but it's gonna push me more further away from my location. So I think I might decline for that. But it was good one, $10 for 1.1 kilometer. It's a really nice one. Take it out from the mirror. So far, this is how it looks like. There you go, 11. Damn. Okay, let's do this. Wow. Here we go. Thank you. Is this for Sarah? UberEats? D14C9.
And the name?
Sarah. Thank you.
And yellow was his eye when they caught him by surprise in the hallway. Go on, chase him down the street, dirty clothes and clumsy feet, to the driveway, to the driveway. Mama know he's out too late, doing things he shouldn't do. Clever boy got time to waste, but nobody got time for school. Drinking up and smoke cigars, knowing he'd be sick for days. Clever boy got time to waste. Clever boy got time to waste, and while his future just slips away, baggy jeans and snapback streams away. He'd never forget that wish he made years ago in high hope that he become something. Just grow up and be something.
It's really easy. This made $53 already. And I started at around 5. So in 2 hours. So yeah, just 25 an hour. more than 25 an hour. It's just going to 7 right now. Does not seem to stop being busy. Damn, this is less than a kilometer for $8. I'll take it. Subway.
Hi.
Hello, Uber?
Name?
Oh, Michael. Thank you. Sorry?
Uber?
Yes, Uber. Deja.
I do.
Yes. Alright. UberEats pickup.
Sorry?
UberEats pickup A58 9B. Yes. Thank you. Uh-huh. There's one more.
Yeah.
I can put it there. Hello, how's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good. One order from Igor? Yes. Thank you. You too. Oh damn, we made over $100 just by walking. Today was super busy. I started like 5 p.m. I believe, and it's 8. And I got an order, but I pressed it by mistake, so I just canceled it. But I made more. Time to go home right now and eat.